right hari putih current gya me pette kai une right now all thing recorded, then closing balance try to compute consults income accounts, closing balance here brought forward, that value recorded already. Therefore by closing consults income account for the year value can be calculated. Credit side equal 525,000. That part we have discussed already. Therefore difference value should be considered as income 513,000 as income statement. Therefore this is the value should be included income statement as a consult's income 513,000. That part I have discussed already. 513,000. Then closing cash balance should be calculated. Closing cash balance take the cash account closing balance. Debit side total amount equal 561,000 and take the credit side. Then difference value balance carry down. Therefore 561,000 minus take the answer. Therefore 3,800 closing balance. That is value should be include financial position. Balance brought forward 3,800. That value should be include financial position as a cash 3,800 and current asset as a cash. Cash closing balance equal 3,800 inventory already recorded, consult fees receivable we have discussed already, and fixed deposit interest income receivable also we have discussed. Fixed deposit should be included it as available in between current and non-current assets. Fixed deposit should be included here. That part we have discussed already. Accrual of fixed expense closing balance under current liability. And under other income, FD interest income, FD interest income and other income. That part we have discussed already. And closing stock also deduct here 4,000. Right now, think about office expense. Office expense closing, it has given accrual balance. That value should be carried down. balance carry down. ඒක මම කලින් රෙකෝඩ් කළා. මෙතන දැන් අර කරන්ට් එක ගියපු නිසා මෙතන මැකිලා ගියා. ඒ ටික ආපහු පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. closing balance, accrual closing balance equal 3500. That value as a balance carry down, and here balance brought forward. Right now, by closing office expense accounts, for the year value can be calculated. Take the debit side total amounts. Therefore, debit side total amount equal to 23,700. Take that value credit side. Difference value, this is a value should be considered as expense in the income statement. Therefore, difference value equal to 21,200 income statement. Therefore, this is the value should be included income statement as operating expense. So, as office expense. As office expense 21,200 and expense. And expense as office expense 21,200. Think about income statement expenses. Right now, all the workings we have discussed. Think about from the beginning should be complete. Admission part we have discussed. Summary of the cash transaction we have discussed. And depreciation okay, as well as closing balance. Then workings also completed. Think about consults income accounts, cash accounts, as well as office expense. Right now, complete income statement, profit and loss should be calculated. Profit and loss. Consults income minus stationery use. Consults income minus stationery use. That is a value should be considered as a gross profit. Try to complete income statement. Think about service business. Service business. Therefore, here this one plus this one minus this one. That is a stationery use. Value equal 238,000. Then this one minus this one gross profit can be calculated. Therefore, gross profit equal 275,000. Other income take second column. Other income 12,000 second column. Then gross profit plus other income take the answer equal 287,000. Then take the total expense. Think about how to calculate gross profit. Service business, not sales, not cost of sales. Service income minus service expense. Consults income minus stationery use. Then gross profit can be calculated plus other income minus expense. Then take the total expense also. Total expense should be deducted within brackets. Therefore, total expense equal 97,700. Then this one minus this one, net profit also can be calculated. 189,300. This is net profit, gross profit plus other income minus expense. Then share of profit, think about. This is a net profit. From that value should be deduct interest on capital as well as salary, difference value, share of profit. All three partners available. This one minus these two value equal 164,800. This is a share of profit. By using new ratio, it has given new profit sharing ratio 2:2:1. All three partners available. See the profit sharing ratio, available agreement 2:2:1. Therefore, profit should be distributed among the partners by using profit sharing ratio. Therefore, 164,800. 164,800, that is a share of it. 2:2:1. Therefore, divided by 5 into 2. Think how to calculate share of profit. Profit share. Dilani also same way. But Senali 1 divide by 5 into 1. Take the answers. Profit share should be record partners current account also. This is a service business. Therefore, here will be equal 65,000. Calculate can be used 920. 65,920 as well as 32,960. This is a profit share. Therefore, closing balance should be 0. Think about profit appropriation accounts. Then partners current account credit. Appropriation part as a profit share, partners current account credit. See the partners current accounts. Credit side, interest and capital, salary recorded, loan interest recorded, then profit share. Profit share 65,920. 65,920. 65,920 and 32,960. Think about profit share. Now take the closing balance of capital and current accounts. Take the closing balance. Those are should be include financial person and equity. Normally credit side increase. Take total amount of credit side. Those are equity account. Credit side increase. Take the total amount of credit side. Therefore, Tarushi credit balance credit side equals 76,120 and Dilani credit side 74,320. Shenali credit side total amount equal 41,360. Take those value debit side, then difference value as a balance carry down. Difference value as a balance carry down. Closing balance should be calculated. Those are equity and balance brought forward credit side. Take the balances 64,120. 64,120. This one minus these two value equal 58,820. And Senali balance equal 31,360. Then those values should be included credit side as brought forward. And those are the values should be record financial position also. Those are equity, record financial position, current account balance as well as capital account balance. This is a capital account balance. Also should be record under equity, closing balance. Assets should be equal liability plus equity. Assets equal liability plus equity. Now record financial position, closing balance, capital account closing balance. Capital account 34,000 Tarushi and Dilani 31,000 capital account balance as well as Shenali 36,000. And take the current account balance also 64,120, 58,820 as well as 31,360. Current account closing balance. Now balance. Assets should be equal liability plus equity. Therefore, non-current asset okay, fixed deposit okay, and take the total current assets total value. Current assets here total value equal 24,800. Then take the total assets. Total assets here total value equal 268,800. Think about service business, not trading business. And take the capital and current account balance also, total value. Capital account total value equal 101,000. Current account total value equal 154,300. Take the total value. Then total equity. This one plus this one take answer. This one plus this one. Therefore, total equity equal 255,300. Then long-term loan available. So non-current liability available, loan is given by the partner. As well as current liability is given only accrual office expense. Therefore, take that value third, second column, 3,500. Then take the total liability and equity. Here total money equal 268,800. Think assets equal liability plus equity. Assets equal liability plus equity. Service business incomplete records. Think about this is a summary. Service business financial position is given, incomplete records. Think about sales not available. Cost of sales not available. කොහෙන් හරි purchase කරලා විකුණන business එකක් නෙවෙයි මේක. Service business එකක්. Service income minus stationery use. That is the main expense. And opening balance sheet is given. Therefore, start from the beginning. And think about admission beginning of the year. All three partners available. 2 adjustments should be done if it is given admission. New agreement should be applied. Interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance. Summary of the cash transaction should be recorded through the cash accounts. Then closing cash balance also should be calculated. Annual depreciation should be calculated. Closing assets and liability should be include financial position as well as relevant ledger account as a balance carried out. Relevant ledger accounts. Then think goodwill adjustment as well as think about relevant ledger accounts. Consultancy income accounts. No need to prepare consultancy income receivable. Receivable is asset, balance brought forward. Closing balance carried out. And think about cash accounts. Think about office expense. Why we have to prepare? It has given opening closing balance accrual. If it has not given accrual or prepaid, no need to prepare ledger accounts. Then income statement. Think about sales minus cost of sales not available now. Consultancy income minus consultancy expense. Then plus other income minus expense. As well as think about financial position also. Assets equal liability plus equity. Partners capital accounts and partners current accounts. Those are equity of the partnerships. Right. Next one. Question number second one. Break එක දෙනවා 10ට. එතකම අපි බලමු මේක. Question number second one. Also service business and it has given trial balance. දැන් මේක incomplete නෙවෙයි. Try to recognize difference. If it has given trial balance, those are complete statement. Start from the additional information. That first one read carefully. First one read and get idea. This is also service business, but it has given trial balance. දැන් මට කියලා දෙන්න ඕනේ service business එකක් විදියට partnership එක ආවොත් ගණන් හදන විදිය. ගොඩක් වෙලාවට partnership තියෙන service business විදියට. That question number second one. නාලක තාරක who share profit and loss equally. This is the old ratio. Profit sharing ratio. Were partners of consultancy business and Dasun were admitted as a partner on 1st April 2020. Also admission. Beginning of the year. Therefore, all three partners available. Very important. Admission, but old profit sharing ratio is given equally. 2 partners available. 1:1. And new agreement also given. Profit and loss are share among Nalaka, Tarak and Dasun 532. New profit sharing ratio. You have to apply for appropriate profit. All three partners available. And no goodwill account is maintained in the books of accounts. All adjustments related to goodwill are recorded through the partners' capital accounts. You know how to adjust goodwill. Old ratio credit, new ratio debit. And partners entitled annual interest 10% based on year-end capital account balance. It has given new agreement. Year-end capital account balance. It has given admission beginning of the year. If it has given admission beginning of the year, normally we have to calculate based on their closing balance. And Taraka, Dasun are entitled monthly salary. Now it has given 2 partners. But there are 3 partners available, Nalaka, Tarak and Dasun. But it has given agreement only Tarak and Dasun. Then තුන් දෙනාටම බලන්න බෑ. ඔන්න ගොඩක් ළමයි වරද්ද ගන්න තැන. Tarak and Dasun entitled monthly salary. Therefore, salary now relevant for only 2 partners. You have to apply agreement. And partners entitled annual interest 12% on loan provided to the partnerships. Now think about 5% cannot be applied. If loan is given by the partner to the partnerships, 12% loan interest will be calculated. Agreement we have to apply. New agreement, all 3 partners available. Salary relevant for 2 partners, salary. But there are 3 partners available. Think about it, very important. And think about it has given trial balance of the partnership 31st March 21. Consultancy income. Think about this is a service business, not available sales. And consultancy expense. It has given directly consultancy expense. Now it has not given stationery. Therefore, gross profit can be calculated consultancy income minus consultancy expense. Therefore, now think about this is a service business, not sales minus cost of sales. Think how to prepare income statement. 2020 last year. Accounting equation summit has given service business. Accounting equation. When we are going to prepare income statement, income minus expense. Sales minus cost of sales cannot be calculated if it has given service business. Therefore, consultants income minus consultants expense, very important. And operating expense, salary paid to Nalaka. All the paid amount for partners should be recorded debit side of the current accounts. All the paid amount for partners. And loan given by Taraka, beginning of the year, you have to calculate loan interest based on agreement 12%. Think about loan also. And loan interest paid to Taraka, all the paid amount think about. And property, plant and equipment, carrying amount it has given. Closing balance. What is the meaning? Annual depreciation recorded already. This is not cost value. Depreciation expense account debit, asset account credit. Not given accumulated depreciation accounts. Depreciation can be recorded through the asset account also. Therefore, depreciation expense account debit, property, plant and equipment account credit. Annual depreciation recorded already. Then other income and cash at bank it has given. In this example, it has given band reconciliation also. Think about band reconciliation, not given separate question. Sometimes it has given company sum. Sometimes it has given partnership sum. Band reconciliation, current account also available in the company. Sometimes they ask debtors reconciliation, creditors reconciliation also in the partnership sum, in the company sum. Think how to prepare. I will discuss some example. Company with debtors and creditors reconciliation. Partnership with debtors and creditors reconciliation. And band reconciliation also with partnership and company. Right? Think about cash control account balance. Cash account balance it has given. And opening balance it has given capital and current accounts. ඉස්සරම ගාන හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න. And cash bought by Dasun. Think about Dasun is a new partner. Admitted beginning of the year. Cash bought by Dasun 40,000. It has given trial balance. It means there were double entry. Cash account debit. Cash bought by Dasun account credit. It should be recorded through the partner's capital accounts. Right now, see the additional information. Now it has given trial balance, not incomplete. This is complete statement, not incomplete. But think about question number 1. It has given opening balance, incomplete records. But question number 2, it has given trial balance. It has given trial balance. Right, see the additional first one. Additional first one, think about. Dasun brought the following as a capital: office equipment and cash. Think about as a capital. Therefore, this value, capital account, credit both value. But however, only cash bought by Dasun has been recorded in the books of accounts. Think about office equipment, part of property, plant and equipment should be recorded. Property, plant and equipment account debit, capital account credit, but it has not recorded. Think about it. And when Dasun was admitted, the goodwill of the partnership was estimated 30,000. Goodwill all ratio credit, new ratio debit. Next one, it has given depreciation rate also given. Think about depreciation recorded already. Trial balance available, depreciation expense accounts. Very, very important. Mamme kina de hondar itan. Carrying amount it has given, property plant equipment, as well as depreciation expense account available trial balance. What is the meaning? Annual depreciation recorded already. But think about Dasun brought office equipment 30,000. Also part of property plant equipment. It has not recorded. Therefore, based on that value, depreciation also not calculated. Therefore, you have to calculate annual depreciation office equipment bought by new partner. But all other property plant equipment depreciated already. Very important. Then fourth one, on 1st January 2021, partnership enter into agreement to provide consultancy service to client at monthly fees 1 million. Monthly fees 1 million. On 1st January 2021. Think about January, February, March. Only 3 months relevant for this financial year. 1 month value equal 1 million. It has given partnership enter into the agreement to provide consultancy service to the client at monthly fees 1 million. But think about client paid 5 million on this date and it has been recorded as a consultancy income. Think about it. 5 million relevant for 5-month period. 1 month value equal 1 million. But client paid 5 million relevant for this financial year 3 months. Therefore, as income should be considered only 3-month value. But already total value considered as income already. But think about 2 months is not relevant. 5,000 receipts. 5,000 mean relevant for 5-month period. But as income should be considered only 2-month period. And as income should be considered 3-month period. 2 month income received in advance. But total value recorded as a consultancy income. Therefore, it should be correct. Total value cannot be considered as income. As income should be considered only 3-month period. But consultancy income received for 5-month period. 2 month is not relevant. Consultancy income received in advance. Liability. But it has not considered total value already recorded as income. Think about it. Then 5, relevant for bank reconciliation. On 31st March 21, bank account balance of partnerships did not agree with bank statement balance on this date. Think about closing balance. Bank statement balance is not equal cash control account balance. And given following were the revolve subsequent investigation. Reason for difference is given. Consultancy income 6 million directly deposits in the bank has not been recorded in the books of accounts. Think about double end. Cash account debit, consultancy income account credit. That value also should be considered as income. Those are not recorded yet. Think about cash balance. As a cash balance under current assets should be recorded adjusted cash control account balance. Adjusted cash control account balance. Therefore, cash account balance should be adjusted. You have to prepare adjusted cash control account also. And second one, check of 2,000 was received from Nalaka's wife for consultancy service has been deposited in the bank but not yet realized. That is an unrealized checks should be recorded statement of bank reconciliation. And this has been recorded as other income. Think about based on entity concepts, Nalaka's wife. Business is a separate person from owner. service provided for Nalaka's wife, then received 2 million. That value also should be considered as a consultant's income. But this has been recorded under other income. This has been recorded as other income. Therefore, that value should be removed from other income. It should be considered as a consultant's income. Consultancy. Therefore, think. And third one, check of 6,000 issued for external consultant has not been presented for payments. Unpresented checks. Check issue. That's given check 6 million issue for external consultant has not been presented for payments. That is an unpresented checks should be recorded only statement of bank reconciliation. And fourth one, Taraka's housing loan installment 2 million paid for the bank accounts of the partnerships from the bank accounts from the bank account of the partnerships as per standing order has not been recorded in the books of accounts. Think about, based on entity concepts, owner's private expense cannot be paid by the business. If it has paid, should be considered as a drawings. Those cannot be considered as expense of the business. Therefore, cash account credit, current account debit. Partner's current account debit. This is owner's private expense. Current account should be debit. It should be considered as a drawings. It is not expense of the business. Right. There's adjusted cash balance and bank reconciliation statement. Income statement of the partnership including appropriation for the year end 31st March 21. And partners current and capital account for the year end 31st March 21. As well as prepare statement of financial position. Ekat අපි හදමු. Statement of financial position. Statement of financial position also can be prepared. ඒකත් අපි හදමු. ඉල්ලු නැති උනට හදමු. එක්සෑම් එක හදන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. නමුත් අපි මේ ගානේ හදමු. Statement of financial position. Statement of financial position as at 31st March 2021. Right now, bank reconciliation also you have to prepare adjusted cash control account and bank reconciliation. This is not trading business, service business. Therefore, consultancy income minus consultancy expense. Gross profit can be calculated plus other income minus expense. Opening balance sheet is given capital and current accounts. Admission beginning of the year. Admission. All profit sharing ratio is given. New ratio is given. New partner also available during the current period. Therefore, all three partners' names should be included. All three partners' name. And think about depreciation, it has given trial balance. Property, plant, equipment carrying amount it has given. Annual depreciation recorded already. Annual depreciation recorded already. But think about new partner also brought office equipment. It has not recorded. Therefore, based on that value, you have to calculate depreciation also. Right. First one, prepare the workings, requirements. Income is first one, bank reconciliation. Adjusted cash control account and a statement of bank reconciliation. As well as income statement, including all three partners. Then financial person also, and partners capital and current accounts. Service business, admission, beginning of the year. And bank reconciliation also it has given. First one, draw the format like this. This is a format. Adjusted cash control accounts. Statement of bank reconciliation. From the beginning, balance as per adjusted cash control accounts. Addition and deduction. And addition unpresented checks. Unrealized checks should be deducted. Then balance as per bank statement. This is a band reconciliation requirement 1. Then income statement, all three partners' names should be included. All three partners' names should be included. Think about income statement. Nalaka, Taraka and Dasun partnerships, income statement and profit appropriation accounts for the year end 31st March 21. Consultancy income minus consultancy expense. Now it has not given stationery. If it has given stationery, here should be deducted as a stationery use. Normally main expense of the service business is stationery use. Not sales minus cost of sales. This is the trading service business. And gross profit plus other income minus expense. Net profit can be calculated. Then interest on capital relevant for all three partners, but salary 2 partners. It has given agreement. Salary 2 partners and profit share also 3 partners. Profit share. Then partners capital and financial person also prepare statement of financial person also. All 3 partners' names should be included. Admission beginning of the year, non-current assets and current assets. Then capital account and current accounts, non-current liability and current liability. Then take the balances, capital accounts, 3 partners name, current account also 3 partners. Think about service business, band reconciliation also it has given with partnership sum. Sometimes it has given debtors and creditors reconciliation also. Therefore, try to recognize if it has given how to prepare. Right, from the beginning, take the balances, capital and current accounts, 3 partners, capital account and current accounts. It has given financial position opening balance. This is a financial position. They don't ask, but we have to prepare. In the exam no need to prepare, but now I'm going to prepare. Financial position also. An income statement, think about income statement. Service business, not trading business. Sometimes it has given manufacturing and trading business. But sometimes it has given service business. Sometimes it has given incomplete. Sometimes it has given complete. If it has given opening balance, incomplete. If it has given trial balance, not incomplete. If it has given trial balance, it started from the additional information. And band reconciliation also think about adjusted cash control account and statement of band reconciliation. At first one, take the balances, it has given trial balance. Capital and current account balance it has given. Those are equity, normally credit side as a balance brought forward. Record those balance as brought forward. Record those balance as balance brought forward, partners, capital and current accounts. Those are equity as a balance brought forward, 80,000 and 70,000 and 2,000, 3,000 as a brought forward credit side. Capital account credit side as a balance brought forward. Value equal 80,000 and 70,000. And take the current account also balance available as a balance brought forward. Current account balance 2,000 and 3,000. Credit balance, if it is given within brackets, should be record debit side. Current account, there may be debit balance also. Sometimes they ask in the MCQ paper, why current account it has given debit balance. MCQ paper they ask, ඇයි current account එකේ debit balance එකක් එන්නේ? Profit එක බෙදලා දුන්නට වඩා වැඩිපුර drawings කරලා. That is the reason. Therefore, current account there may be debit balance. What is the reason? Profit එක විදියට බෙදලා දුන්නට වඩා drawings වැඩියෙන් කරලා. Right. And adjusted cash control account and band reconciliation you have to prepare. Therefore, cash control account balance also should be included here. Reason adjusted cash control account balance should be included statement of band reconciliation. Therefore, trial balance available, cash control account balance also. It has given cash at bank 10,200. That value also should be included as a balance brought forward. Adjusted cash control accounts. Take the balance 10,200. Adjusted cash control account as a balance brought forward, debit side, those assets as a balance brought forward. Right now, start from additional information. Agreement also given. Agreement I will discuss later. Agreement I will discuss later. This is a new agreement. If it has given trial balance, start from the beginning. Think about additional first one. Relevant for admission part. And see the trial balance it has given cash brought by Dasun, 40,000. Think about additional first one. Dasun brought the following as a capital, office equipment as well as cash. However, only cash brought by Dasun has been recorded in the books of accounts. Cash account debit, cash brought by Dasun account credit. It has already debited cash accounts, but office equipment also brought as a capital. Office equipment part of property plant equipment account. Therefore, property plant and equipment account debit, capital account should be credit. Property plant and equipment account debit 30,000, capital account credit. It has not recorded. Therefore, first one cash brought by Dasun, it has available trial balance. It means there were double entry. Cash account debited already, but that value should be record partners capital account as a cash, but no need to debit again cash account. Reason it has available trial balance. Therefore, 40,000, that is a cash bought by new partner, should be record capital account 40,000 as a cash. But now that value cannot be debit cash accounts. Then think about office equipment also bought as a capital. Office equipment bought as a capital. That value should be considered as a part of property plant equipment. Therefore, property plant and equipment account debit. Debit means property plant and equipment increase plus 30,000. Think what correct value should be calculated. Property plant and equipment account plus. It has not recorded available additional information. Property plant and equipment account debit, capital account credit. Therefore, that value should be added to the property plant and equipment accounts. Debit means plus 30,000 and capital account credit as a office equipment or property plant and equipment also brought as a capital. 30,000 also should be credit. Name of other ledger account as a property plant and equipment, PPE or office equipment. Think about double entry. It has not recorded. It has not recorded. Therefore, it should be added to the property plant and equipment also. Property plant and equipment account debit, that value should be added. And capital account credit, it should be record capital accounts. Then first part okay. And think about at the same time depreciation part, third one. Additional second one I'll discuss later. At the same time think about third one. Property plant and equipment depreciated on cost 10% per annum on straight line methods. But think about trial balance available depreciation expense accounts. What is the meaning? Depreciation recorded already. But office equipment bought by Dasun has not been recorded. Therefore, it has not available property plant equipment accounts. Therefore, based on that value, not depreciated. Therefore, now you have to calculate depreciation based on office equipment. 30,000 into 10%. Reason, office equipment bought by new partner was not recorded as a capital. Therefore, that value, property plant equipment account debit, capital account credit, it has not recorded. Therefore, based on that value, depreciation also not calculated. Therefore, now you have to calculate depreciation based on that value. Therefore, depreciation should be calculated. Depreciation only should be calculated based on office equipment 30,000 into 10%. Think about trial balance. It has given depreciation expense accounts. It means annual depreciation recorded already. But based on office equipment bought by new partner, depreciation was not recorded. Therefore, now think about it. 10% based on that value. It has not given accumulated depreciation accounts. But it means annual depreciation also recorded through the property, plant and equipment accounts. Depreciation, there are two methods can be applied when we account records. First one, depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. But in this example, it has not given accumulated depreciation accounts, therefore cannot be recorded like that. And second method, depreciation expense account debit, relevant asset account credit. Therefore now depreciation also should be recorded through the asset accounts. Therefore, based on office equipment bought by new partner, first one think about that value, property plant equipment account debit, capital account credit, it has recorded. Now think about depreciation, 10% equal 3,000, depreciation expense account debit, depreciation expense account debit, therefore here plus 3,000, depreciation expense account debit, property plant and equipment account credit, that value should be deducted from property plant equipment. Reason, depreciation recorded through the asset accounts. As a result of depreciation, effect for asset decrease. Therefore, depreciation expense account debit, property plant and equipment account credit. Property plant and equipment is asset, credit mean deduct. Therefore, depreciation plus property plant equipment deduct minus. Think how to calculate depreciation. Therefore, this is the correct depreciation. Total value equal 30,000. That is the value should be included income statement as a depreciation. Therefore, income statement as a property plant equipment depreciation, expense as a property plant equipment depreciation, how much should be considered? 27,000 plus 3,000. Therefore, annual depreciation equals 30,000. As expense, income statement should be included 30,000 depreciation. As well as think about property plant equipment, financial position should be disclosed. As a property plant equipment, 253,000 plus 30,000 minus this one. Take the correct value. This one plus this one minus this one. Therefore, 253,000 plus 30,000 minus 3,000 equal 280,000. Therefore, correct value, property plant equipment, financial person should be included. Financial person, it has given directly carrying amounts. This one plus 30,000 minus this one equal 280,000. Record it financial person also. And an uncounted asset directly carrying amounts equal 280,000. Think what correct value. Then additional second one, first one and third one okay. First one relevant for office equipment bought by new partner. Think about, however, only cash bought by this one has been recorded in the books of accounts. But office equipment also brought as a capital, it has not recorded. Think about it. And based on that value, also think about depreciation. Depreciation expense account available, it means annual depreciation recorded already based on available property plant equipment. But office equipment bought by new partner was not recorded. Based on that value, depreciation also not recorded. Then additional 1 and 3 okay. Now think about second one. Goodwill adjustment, admission beginning of the year. It has given goodwill of the partnership 30 million. Values in 1,000, 30,000. Old ratio credit, new ratio debit. Therefore, old ratio 2 partners equally, new ratio 3 partners, 532. Nalaka, Taraka and Dasu. Old partners, Nalaka and Taraka. Prepare working for goodwill adjustment. Old ratio credit, new ratio debit. all ratio 2 partners available, goodwill, goodwill adjustment, all ratio, all ratio, two partners available, all ratio. Nalaka and Taraka, write the name of partners. Nalaka and Taraka. Nalaka and Taraka. And new partner Dasun. Think about goodwill of the partnership values in 1,000, 30,000. Calculate new ratio also. New ratio. New ratio 3 partners available, Nalaka, Taraka and Dasun. Total goodwill is not changed. Dasun also available. This is a new ratio. New. Think about all ratio and new ratio. All ratio is given equally 1:1. And new ratio is given 5:3:2. It has given agreement. See from the beginning. This is a new agreement. All 3 partners and all agreement equally. Goodwill of the partnership equal 30,000. Then prepare the workings. Try to calculate. Equally 1:1, 15,000, half. And new ratio 5:3:2. Divide by 10 into 5. Total provision equal 10. Therefore, here will be equal 15,000. And here will be equal 9,000. Here will be equal 6,000. Always goodwill, old ratio credit, new ratio debit. Record it as a goodwill 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000 through the partners capital accounts. Through the partners capital account as a goodwill. As a goodwill, all ratio credit. All ratio credit. Two partners available, 15,000 and 15,000 equally. And new ratio debit as a goodwill by using new ratio. New ratio 3 partners available, 5:3:2 value equal 15,000, 9,000 and 6,000. Admission part okay. Admission part. මේ ගාන අපි adjustment එක ඉවරනකම් හදමු. එක දිගට හැදුවේ නැත්නම් තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. 10 ටිකක් පහ වුණාට කමක් නැහැ, හදමු අපි. Right, additional 1, 2, 3 okay. Think about fourth one. Fourth one on 1st January 21. Think about this one, very important. Fourth one. It has given on 1st January 2021 during the accounting period. මාස 3ක් තියෙනවා බලන්න. January, February, March. Partnership enter into the agreement to provide consultancy service to client and monthly fees 1 million. Monthly fees 1 million. And client paid 5 million. මාසයකට 1 million. Client paid 5 million. Therefore, client paid for 5-month period on this date. But relevant for account period, January, February, March. As income should be considered only 3-month period. But client paid 5 million and this date, and it has been recorded as a consultancy income. Total 5 million cannot be considered as income. As income, you have to consider only 2-month value. Think about as a consultancy income should be considered only 3-month value. January, February, March. As an income. As an income, you have to consider 3-month value. 3 months. Therefore, 1 million into 3 months. As income should be considered only 3,000. but already 5,000 received in cash, it has considered as income. Therefore, 2,000 is not relevant for this financial year. 2,000 consultancy income received in advance. Therefore, consultancy income received in advance. As a received in advance, you have to consider 2,000. Total 5,000 cannot be considered as income. As income, you have to consider only 3-month value. Relevant for this financial year only 3 months. End of the year 31st March 21. Therefore, this agreement relevant for this financial year 3 months. As income, you have to consider 3 months. 2-month value is not considered as income. That value should be considered as a consultancy income received in advance. That is a liability. But total value already considered as income. Consider as income 5,000. 2,000 is not relevant for this financial year. But total value already considered. Therefore, now 2,000 should be removed. 2,000 should be deducted here as a consultancy income received in advance. This is a liability. 5,000 already recorded, but as income should be considered only 3,000. Therefore, 2,000 is not relevant for this financial year. This value should be considered as a consultancy income received in advance. Therefore, total value consider already. 5,000 මේක ඇතුළේ තියනවා බලන්න. 3,000 විතරයි තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Therefore, 2,000 deduct. And that value should be considered as liability. Under current liability as a consultancy income received in advance. Under current liability as a consultancy income received in advance. Consultancy income received in advance. Liability value equal 2,000. Client paid for 5-month period, but as income should be considered only 3 months. Balance 2 months cannot be considered as income this month. It should be considered as income next year. This year cannot be considered as income. Think about additional fourth one. And additional 5 relevant for band reconciliation. You have to prepare at the same time band reconciliation also. Cash control account opening balance already recorded. Think about adjusted cash control account and band reconciliation. See the additional fourth one. On 31st March 21, it has given bank account balance. Bank account balance it has given of the partnership did not agree with bank statement balance. It has given following were the revolved in subsequent investigation. It has given reason for difference. Reason for difference is given. Double entry system should be applied. Now think about first one. Consultancy income. 6,000 directly deposited in the bank has not been recorded in the books of accounts. Consultancy income directly deposited in the bank has not been recorded as in the books of accounts. Therefore, this value also considered as a consultancy income, but it has not recorded. Directly deposited in the bank. Bank code dala. Therefore, double entry cash account debit, consultancy income account credit. Therefore, this one should be considered as a consultancy income. Therefore, this one should be added to the consultancy income. Here 6,000 plus. It should be considered as a consultancy income. As well as cash account debit, adjusted cash account also we have to prepare, and adjusted cash account should be debit 6,000 as a consultancy income. As a consultancy income, think about double entry. Cash account debit, consultancy income account credit. It should be added to the consultancy income also. And second one, check of 2,000 received from Nalaka's wife. for consultancy service has been deposited in the bank but not yet realized. Think about it. And second part, there are two parts available. This has been recorded as other income. First one, unrealized checks, 2000. Unrealized checks should be recorded statement of bank reconciliation. There are two parts available. First one, think about unrealized checks, 2 million. That value should be recorded statement of bank reconciliation. As unrealized checks should be deduct 2 million in the statement of bank reconciliation. Unrealized checks. As such, there are two parts available. And it has included under other income. This has been recorded as other income. It is also consultancy income. Based on entity concepts, owners and business are separate person. Business is a separate person from owner. Therefore, Nalakas 5 provide consultancy service 2 million, and that is also should be considered as a consultancy income, but it has recorded as other income. Therefore, that value should be deduct from other income. It should be considered as a consultancy income. That value also should be considered as a consultancy income, but it has already included under other income. See the other income? Therefore, from other income, deduct 2000. It should be considered as a consultancy income. Therefore, 2000 should be deduct from other income. From other income, deduct 2000. It should be considered as a consultancy income. Therefore, that value also should be added to the consultancy income. It has considered already as other income. Deduct from other income, and it should be considered as a consultancy income. As well as unpresented checks, unrealized checks should be recorded statement of bank reconciliation. Then think about third one. Check of 6,000, 6 million, issue for external consultant has not been presented for payments. Unpresented checks. Unpresented checks should be recorded only statement of bank reconciliation. Check issue but not presented. Therefore, unpresented, unrealized checks should be recorded only statement of bank reconciliation. Therefore, 6 million unpresented statement of bank reconciliation. Unpresented checks should be at 6 million plus. Think about unrealized, unpresented should be recorded in the statement of bank reconciliation. Then additional last one, think about. Additional last one. Taraka's housing loan installment, rupees 2 million paid from the bank account of the business, from the bank account of the partnerships, as per standing order, has not been recorded in the books of accounts. Think about Tarak is a partner, housing loan installment, private expense paid by the business should be considered as drawings. Therefore, 2000 cash account credit, current account debit. That is a drawings. A housing loan installment, owner's private expense paid by the business. Cash account credit, drawings account debit. It should be considered as a drawings. It is not partnership expense. This is not partnership loan installment. This is a partner's private expense. It has not recorded. Therefore, cash account credit, current account debit, it should be considered as a drawings. Record cash account credit 2000 as a drawings, double entry. Drawings, it should be debit partners, current account also. It should be debit partners, current account also. Current accounts. Taraka's housing loan installment, drawings, within brackets, housing loan installment, 2000. Owner's private expense paid by the business, those are should be considered as drawings, not business loan installment. Cash account credit, think about double entry. That then additional information, okay. additional information. Okay. Then start from the beginning. First one, agreement should be done. Agreement should be done. Profit and loss share, it has given new profit sharing ratio. It is relevant for profit appropriation part. And goodwill we have discussed. Additional third one, partners are entitled annual interest 10% based on their year-end capital account balance. Now try to calculate interest on capital based on their closing capital account balance. Capital account closing balance should be calculated. Capital account credit side increase. Take the credit side total amounts 95,000. First one, try to calculate capital account closing balance. And here 85,000. And here value equal 70,000. මේ ගාන adjustment given ඉන්න. මොකද භාගයට හදලා ගියොත් තේරුමක් නැහැ මේක. First one, try to calculate closing balance capital accounts. Difference value balance carry down. Difference value balance carry down. Therefore, this one minus this one take answer as a balance carry down. As a balance carry down. Therefore, here difference value equal 8,000. Interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing balance. Here 76,000. And here balance equal 64,000. Take those value as a brought forward credit side. As a balance brought forward credit side. And based on that value, you have to calculate interest on capital also. Based on that value, interest on capital should be calculated. Capital account closing balance. 10% should be calculated interest on capital. 10%. As well as those values should be include financial position also. First one, record financial position. Capital account balance. Financial position 8,000 closing balance. As well as 76,000 and 64,000. Then calculate interest on capital 10%. Interest on capital 10%. Based on closing balance 8,000 into 10%. 8,000 into 10%. As well as 76,000 into 10%. Based on their closing capital account balance, you have to calculate 10%. As well as 64,000 into 10%. Interest on capital, appropriation account debit, partners capital account credit. Based on closing balance 10%. Those values should be record partners current account also. Appropriation account debit, current account credit. Record partners current account also as interest on capital. As interest on capital. As interest on capital, value equal 8,000, 7,600 and 6,400. Agreement should be done from the beginning. Agreement. Interest on capital, okay. Interest on capital, okay. It has given agreement from the beginning. And given Tarak and Dasun, two partners, entitled monthly salary. Now it has not given all three partners. We have to apply agreement. If it has not given agreement, section 24. Therefore, Nalaka also available. Nalaka, it has not given salary. Only Tarak and Dasun. Monthly value is given into 12. Annual salary can be calculated. Annual salary can be calculated. Therefore, 400 into 12. Record values in 1,000. Only for two partners. Only for two partners. Therefore, value equal 4,000, 4,800,000. Values in 1,000, 4,800. 4,800, two partners available. Salary. Profit share cannot be calculated yet. Profit share cannot be calculated yet. First one, try to complete agreement. Then next one, think about salary relevant for only two partners. Then partners are entitled annual interest 12% on the loan provided to the partnerships. 12%. Partners entitled annual interest 12%, loan provided to the partnerships 12% now. Think about 5% cannot be applied now. See the loan accounts. It is given here, loan given by Tarak. This one, think about. Loan is given by the partner beginning of the year. That is a liability. Based on that value, 12% loan interest should be calculated now. As well as loan interest paid amount also available. All the paid amount for partners should be recorded partners current accounts. First one, loan accounts. Tarak 30,000 under non-current liability. Based on that loan, you have to calculate loan interest 12%. 12% loan interest should be calculated now. Now not 5%. First one, record loan. Loan should be record non-current liability. Financial position. Loan account Tarak. Tarak is a partner. Loan account Tarak value it has given 30,000. And calculate based on that loan interest. Loan interest should be calculated. Loan value is given 12,000, 30,000. Therefore, loan interest based on 30,000. Loan interest for Tarak's loan. Loan value equal 30,000. And annual interest rate is given 12% now. Not section 24. We have to apply agreement. Therefore, calculate interest, loan interest equal 3,600. It should be paid for partners. Partners current account credit. As well as this value should be considered as expense also. All the amount payable for partners current account credit. Therefore, partners current account credit as a loan interest 3,600. And this value should be considered as expense also. And it has given trial balance loan interest paid amount 3,000. If it has given loan interest paid, it should be recorded. This one Tarak 3,600 Tarak. And trial balance it has given loan interest paid also. If it has given paid amounts, that value should be recorded debit side. Trial balance it has given 3,000 as a loan interest paid. Therefore, here as a loan interest paid. As a loan interest paid 3,000. Balance 6,600. Think about balance 600 cannot be recorded under current liability. දැන් ළමයි ගොඩක් කට හිතනවා මේ balance 600 current liability යනවා කියලා. වැරදි. Balance 600 should not be records. ඒක නිකම්ම මේකේ balance එකට එනවා. ඒකේ balance එක යනවා under equity. Therefore, difference value should not be records. For the year value, expense as well as current account credit. If it has paid in cash, should be recorded debit side as a loan interest paid. Difference value should not be recorded. ඒක difference එක නිකම්ම මේකේ balance එකට එනවා. ඒක current account එකේ balance එක විදියට financial position එකට යනවා. Then this value should be considered as expense as loan interest income statement. Therefore, record income statement as a loan interest 3,600 based on accrual concepts as a loan interest. As a loan interest. See the trial balance also. It has given trial balance loan interest paid to Taraka. That value should be recorded debit side of the current account. And interest calculate value equal 3,600. That is value should be considered as expense and current account credit. If it has given paid amount, current account debit. Difference value should not be records. Take a difference එක නිකම්ම current account එකේ balance එකට එනවා. Right, then agreement also okay. Now we start from the beginning. All other thing, only one entry. Right, concerns income, correct value. This one can be cut 2,000 plus 2,000 minus. Therefore, 6,000 plus here. Therefore, 726,000. Consults income statement, correct value. Consults income equals 726,000. Correct value. Adjustment should be done. Plus minus තිබුණොත් ඒවා adjust කරලා ගන්න. And consults expense 620,000. It has not changed. Consultancy expense, that is the main expense. Deduct 620,000. Consultancy income minus consultancy expense. Then consultancy, it has given operating expense 40,000. Income statement. Start from the beginning now. Trial balance. Operating expense 40,000 and expense income statement. Operating expense 40,000 expense. Complete trial balance from the beginning now. Therefore, salary paid to Nalaka 2,000. Salary paid to Nalaka 2,000. Current account debit side. All the paid amount for partners should be recorded partners current account debit side. Therefore, salary paid to Nalaka 2,000. Current accounts debit side. Nalaka debit side 2,000 as salary paid. Salary paid. All the paid amount for partners should be recorded current account debit side. The next one, loan we have discussed. Property, plant and equipment. Think about correct value. It has recorded already. And depreciation also recorded correct value. Other income 2,000 deduct. Therefore, from 10,200 deduct 2,000. Other income correct value equal 8,200. 8,200 other income. And other income 8,200. Other income. Other income last column 8,200 correct value. Other income correct value 8,200. Then see the trial balance. Then cash balance, cash account closing balance should be calculated. As well as bank reconciliation we have discussed. And cash bought by this one also recorded. Right, now first fund try to complete adjusted cash control accounts. Debit side increase 16,200. Take the credit side 16,200. Difference value balance carry down. Therefore, difference value equal 14,200. Balance carry down and balance brought forward. Therefore, 14,200 closing balance. Therefore, this is the value should be included under current asset also. And this value should be recorded in statement of bank reconciliation. Balance as per adjusted cash control accounts 14,200. Therefore, 14,200. Then plus addition equal 6,000. Therefore, this one plus this one take answer. Then from this value deduct 2,000. Therefore, answer is balance as per bank statement. This is the bank reconciliation. Balance as per bank statement. Now think when we are going to prepare financial statement. If it has given bank reconciliation with partnerships, company, any organization, this value should not be recorded on the financial statement. Balance as per bank statement should not be recorded on the financial statement. On the financial statement should be recorded only adjusted cash control account balance. Adjusted cash control accounts. This is value should be included under current asset as a cash. Bank statement balance should not be recorded. Make a financial statement. Financial statement should be recorded under current assets as a cash 14,200. Under current assets 14,200. Think about bank statement balance should not be recorded on the financial statement. Therefore, this value under current asset as a cash 14,200. Record it and current assets as a cash 14,200. Right now complete income statement gana vivara karamu. Try to calculate profit and loss also. Think about service business, then try to complete income statement and calculate profit share. It should be include partners current accounts, then balance. Take the profit and gross profit should be calculated. Consultants income minus consultants expense. Here value equals 1,600,000 plus other income value equal 114,200. Then deduct expenses, net profit can be calculated. Therefore, total expense equal 73,600. Then net profit also can be calculated. Gross profit plus other income minus expense. Net profit equal 40,600. Then take the deduction part. Interest on capital total amount equal 22,000. And salary total amount equal. Salary total deduction equal 9,600. Then this one minus this one minus this one, take answer. This is share of profit. From this value deduct these two value. From this value deduct these two value. Therefore share of profit equal here 9,000. Share of profit equal 9,000. You have to apply new profit sharing ratio. 5:3:2. It has available agreement. This is the new profit sharing ratio. 4 తారక and దశోన్. Share of profit equal 9,000. Then try to calculate profit share. 9,000 divided by 10 into 5. 9,000 divided by 10 into 5 and divided by 10 into 3. Divide by 10 into 3 as less divided by 10 into 2. 5:2:3. 3:2. Then take the answers. 4,500. Here value equal 4,500. Calculate can be used. And here 2,700. And here 1,800. Appropriation account debit, partners current account credit. Therefore, profit appropriation part should be recorded through the partners current account also. Now record it current account as a profit share. Salary also should be recorded here. Interest on capital, salary as well as profit share. Record salary also only for two partners, Tarak and Nalak, 4,800. It is available in the appropriation accounts. And profit share. Profit share, all three partners 4,500, 2,700 and 1,800. Now take the closing balance. Capital and current accounts. Capital account already discussed. Take the current account closing balance. Take increase side total amounts. Difference value balance carry down. Difference value balance carry down. Therefore here credit side 14,500. Tarak credit balance equal 21,700. Dasun credit side equal 13,000. And take those value debit side. Difference value as a balance carry down. Now try to calculate closing balance. That value brought forward credit side. Balance brought forward credit side. Closing balance should be recorded financial position also. Therefore here value equal 12,500. And here value equal 16,700. And that's one equal 13,000. And balance brought forward credit side also same value. Balance brought forward, credit side also same value. Then those values should be record financial position also. Financial position, equity. Record financial position and equity. Capital account recorded and current accounts. Closing balance 12,500 as well as 16,700 and 13,000. Right now balance. Assets should be equal liability plus equity. Think about service business, admission and trial balance it is given. Therefore, carrying amount it is given property plant equipment equal to 280,000. As well as under current assets available only cash balance 14,200. Therefore, total asset equal 294,200. Then take the capital account balance 220,000. Current account balance equal 42,200. As well as loan 30,000. Loan is given by the partner. And the current liability is given commission income received in advance. Think about income received in advance. Total equity here, total money equal 262,200. Then take the total value. If it is correct, assets should be equal liability plus equity 294,200. Think about service business. Band reconciliation also available. Band reconciliation. Therefore, this is the summary. Admission beginning of the year. Therefore, all three partners available. Think about interest on loan. Loan is given by the partner. Based on that value, now 5% cannot be calculated. This one very important. Salary relevant for two partners. And property plant equipment carrying amount it is given. Annual depreciation also available trial balance. Think about admission of new partner. Part of adjustment has been recorded, but office equipment bought by new partner was not recorded. Therefore, based on that value, depreciation also not recorded. And additional fourth one, you have to apply accrual concepts. Think about agreement, consult agreement. Client paid 5-month period, but relevant for this financial year only 3-month period. As income should be considered only 3-month value. 2-month value is not relevant for this financial year. 2-month value should be considered as a consultancy income received in advance. But it has not considered total value already considered as income. Therefore, correct income should be calculated. And think about band reconciliation also given. Important thing, adjusted cash control account balance should be recorded only financial person. Bank statement balance should not be recorded on the financial statement. If it has given debtors reconciliation, important, mamme kiyanna de wadagat. Debtors reconciliation if it has given. Same way, adjusted debtor control account should be recorded financial person. Debtor list balance should not be recorded financial statement. Debtor list balance should not be recorded on the financial statement. Only adjusted debtor control account balance should be recorded. Adjusted debtor control account balance. Sometimes it has given debtors reconciliation also in the partnership sum and company sum. If it has given adjusted debtor control account balance should be recorded under current assets. That is the thing you have to keep in mind. Right, question number next one I will discuss after break. Break එක ඉවර වෙන්නේ ආපහු මම ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්න 11:30 වලට 11:30 ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා අහන්න ඊළඟ ගාන වැදගත් අනිවාර්යෙන් එන්න ක්ලාස් එකට ඊළඟ ගාන වැදගත් right 11:30 පටන් ගන්නවා ආපහු 11:30